Creating a CD on demand which offers your customers a copy of their digital product on CD increases customer satisfaction and makes great business sense. It can bring you an extra couple of dollars, which in many cases will cover all of Plimus's transaction fees. Providing a CD on demand is appropriate for digital products such as software, games and media, as opposed to services. Setting up a CD on demand offer is really easy, but there are a number of different ways this can be done in the Plimus system. Firstly, if you are setting up a product download for a contract, your default settings are usually automatically set to create a CD on demand offer when you upload the customer file to the Plimus system. Let's take a quick look at this. We'll go down to the bottom of the contract and click the product download link. We'll just add a sample file. Let's take this one, Happy Writer, and we'll upload it. As soon as the upload is complete, you can see that a CD offer can be included as well. In such circumstances, the default setup will charge your customer the standard price of $9.90 for the CD and shipping, and a surcharge of $2 will be added for your benefit. If you want to change or cancel this default setup, you can do so by clicking on the relevant link and making the changes as you see fit. When your customer then gets to your Buy Now page, the CD on demand offer will be presented. Now let's examine the other ways we can set up a CD on demand offer. We can also set up CD on demand settings from the product and contract levels. The step-by-step screenshots guide below also includes the procedure for setting up at both the contract and the product level. But in this video, to keep things simple, we'll show you the setup from just the product level. Once you understand how this works, then running the settings from the contract level is a real piece of cake. For this example, we'll start from the home page of the control panel. Click on a relevant product. This brings up the CD on demand dialog that covers this particular product. The settings we choose here will cover all contracts except those whose settings have already been set up at contract level. It's important to understand that if you need to provide different CD files for different contracts, you should set up at contract level. If you can supply the same file for most contracts, then it makes more sense to run the setup at product level. In each case, CD on demand settings at contract level will always take precedence. To activate the CD on demand offer, click the checkbox. The basic charge to your customer is $9.90 for the CD, including shipping. Next, you can add a surcharge that you will receive from the transaction. We'll use $2, which is a fair amount, and will make the total charge to your customer $11.90. You can, however, put in whatever figure you see fit. You can add registration or license key file information in the relevant file name by adding it in here. The file must previously have been uploaded to Plimus. You can also choose to absorb the basic CD cost of $9.90 if you wish, but this will mean that your client will get the CD for free and you will end up paying for it. Next, press the Submit button. Now you need to select the relevant file to be included on the CD. Let's just scroll down the page. You have a choice of uploading a file from your PC or the web, or to select a file you've already uploaded to the Plimus system. File size should not exceed 500 megabytes and the file name should not contain spaces. You can even upload a zip file, which is useful if you are including README text and demo programs and the like. So just select a file to upload by pressing Browse, and we'll upload this file. Next, press the Upload button. Let's open a related contract and view the Buy Now page. you can see that it includes an order for a CD on demand. If you need to provide a different CD for this contract, just click on the CD on demand link over here and you'll be able to change the CD by uploading or selecting another file. Remember, Plimus deals with the burning and delivery of the CD without any further input from you. You can change the files as and when you need, but you should ensure that the CD includes the product version you are selling to your customers at the relevant time. We suggest you view the screenshot tutorial below for further information. Thank you, and that's the end of this tutorial.